After creating a new project in DaVinci Resolve and then dragging and dropping a clip, DaVinci Resolve gives a warning about the frame rate, which you can click on change in order to match the clip's frame rate. But it doesn't do much to correct any other settings. So after clicking on the gear icon in the bottom right corner in the project settings, you could see the timeline resolution is wrong. So you can change it. Also, the footage is from an iPhone. So go to color management and then change the color signs to DaVinci YRGB color managed. So after clicking on save, you could see the color has improved. So if you don't want to keep changing the same settings every single time for a particular camera such as iPhone, then come back to the project settings, click on the three dots and then select save current settings as preset, give you a preset, a name, and then click on OK. And now you can close your project settings. And next time when you import a video from the same camera onto a new project, then all you got to do is to click on the gear icon and then again click on the three dots. And now you can see iPhone 4K 60 FPS is saved. Simply hover your cursor over the preset and then select load preset. And when you go to the color management, you could see it automatically loads the correct color and other settings related to the camera that you have used. So I recommend you to create different presets based on various different cameras that you use. And if you still have any questions, let me know in the comments below.